Hey everyone, let's see how we can draw the diagrams of science to experiments which will come in your practicals in an easy way. So the first one which comes for science 2 is characteristics of chordata pigeon. They will be showing you a pigeon where you have to write the aim, apparatus, then the procedure, then the diagram, conclusion, observation and conclusion. So let's draw characteristics of chordata pigeon. So I'll draw a U here first. I will take a little curve and draw a slanting line. Then here again I'll draw a S type shape and again draw a U. Then I'll draw its beak, eyes, and I'll draw 3 lines here. Is it clear? Then I'll again draw a U here and give your dots, a sleeping line, a feather and a slanting line. Now what I will do is I will extend this line and I will draw a line here. Then again you can draw another wing here like this. If you want you can extend this line as well. Rub this out and extend this line if needed. Now I'll draw the leg. So this would be the claws. This will be the wings, the neck, the beak, and the tail. So this is your diagram. Next one again is the characteristics of chordata where they'll show you a fish specimen. You need to draw it. So how are we going to draw? We are going to draw a U shape here. Draw like this, cut it into half, bring it down again and again write a U. Now what you're going to do is a small curve here, a small curve here. Extend this line and draw a U again. Now you're going to cut this. You're going to draw eye. You're going to draw a fin here. Now how you're going to draw a fin? Take it on top. Bring it down like this. Again, one here and one down. And again here. Here you can draw lines. Okay, and again a fin here. So this is your fish. You're going to draw a mouth. An eye. This wing is called your pelvic fin. This fin is going to call your ventral fin. This fin is going to call your caudal fin. Okay. This is the tail if you want. This is called your dorsal fin. And this thing is called the gill slit. So this is the diagram of a fish. Okay, let's see non-chordata cockroach. So again I draw a U shape and I draw a sleeping line. Then I make again a U like this. I make 2 eyes and 2 like this. Then what I do is, how many legs do a cockroach have? Do comment down below. So I'll draw a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many guesses did you make? So let's draw again like this, join it, and here, and you're going to draw it small legs. Again, I'll draw a small U here, and I'm going to put here lines, and like this horns. So let's name this now, and if you want you can make like this too. So this part will be your wings, this will be the head, this would be the legs, this is the abdomen. I think all the parts are done. Head, abdomen, legs and wings. Okay, in non-core data you have another thing specimen which will be shown to you is the earthworm. So first I will draw a U, bring it down, take it on top. Similarly, here you're going to take a small curve. Take out like this. Again, bring it down. Take it on top, but you're going to make a bigger curve this time. Here you're going to have a small curve. Here you're going to have a big curve. Here you are going to put this line like this. So this is going to be your mouth. This is going to be your CLITELLUM, Cilitum. This is going to be the anus. This is the earthworm. Okay, the next one which comes is binary fission of amoeba. This they'll give you the slide or they might tell you to check in the microscope. So amoeba, as you know, it doesn't have any shape. So I will just draw like this and put a nucleus at the center. You want to write it? You can write it as parent amoeba. Okay. This arrow, I will make it year one, bring it down and make one more. Okay, any shape is done, and this nucleus I will break down and make it into this shape. I will write it as elongation of nucleus. If you want the detailed explanation of binary video, then do comment down. I will just provide you as required. So what I will do next is again I will prepare an amoeba. Same elongated one. Again another one, and I will one nucleus here and the other nucleus here. So I can write it as division of nucleus. Then what I will do is I will bring one here, another here, create another new amoeba and again a new amoeba here and name it as daughter cells. You can write it as two daughter cells or two daughter nucleus amoebas. Now let's see binary fission of hydra. I will make like these and then one big ear, another little fat and like this. And you can make a small hole like this. Then the next one what you will do, again the same thing, like this, like this, like this. I'm just drawing it like this. You're going to make a small like the sign and then this. So you're going to name it as bud. a small plant, hydra plant. Then the next one would be again like these. You can make like this. Again a small one here. And then again you can make like these. A small bud which is coming out. Okay. So this is your hydra binary fission. There is a sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction, mitosis and meiosis diagrams. So if you want those diagrams, do comment down below. I will give a detailed explanation of the concept as well as the diagram. Thank you for watching. So do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel.